nails today. This is my very first time doing press-on, so we gonna figure this out together. So I got my handy dandy nail kit that I showed y'all in the last, well, not the last vlog, but in one of the vlogs before. And I got all my nails and whatnot. I think I'm gonna pick the square tip ones. I think I'm gonna do these ones today. This is the square, and what is this one? Oh, anyway, I think I'm gonna do these ones today because they look simple. And I'm just getting all my tools. Here's the file, a buffer. I'm just gonna take these out just in case if I need them, which I don't think I will, but I'm just gonna take it out. And now these are all of the things. So got the glue, the light, and I am recording. Yo, why? And I got buffer gel and the top coat. So yeah, let me get my little brush. Same thing, so I could just use this one. I'll put this one back. This is cuticle remover, but this is basically the same thing, so I'll just use this one. Okay, y'all, in editing this video, I realized that my hand was not in the frame the majority of the first portion of the video, and it wasn't showing everything, and then the angling of the camera was just not right throughout the video. But nonetheless, you can see the gist of everything and you can see what's pretty much going on. But I'm just coming in for this voiceover just so you can excuse my little mishap. But it's Vlogtober, so I'm gonna put it up anyway. But thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging with me. If you like my content, click subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
Ooh, so coy, take it slow to let hurts. Seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks. And I want you to want me, yeah, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, yeah. no way that you'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end.
This whole video was music and voiceover was gonna be because I didn't have anything interesting to talk about, but I'm cutting it at this moment to let y'all know it was going great for the first 2 nails. It was going very good. But when I tell y'all this glue don't play no games. Now how am I supposed to get, I'm gonna have to stop and Google. I'm not getting on the camera, y'all, because I look a hot mess. But I need to Google how you get glue off your hand, y'all. This is glue. I tried to wipe it with the alcohol pad, and that's why it looked white like that, because the cotton off the pad got stuck on it. But this is glue on my fingers. I was trying to put enough glue so I would have air bubbles. Well, that didn't work. I still got air bubbles. And as y'all can see, I had so much glue till it dripped down the side. And that's how I got on this when I was holding it like this or like this. It got on this finger and they was stuck together. Y'all, the struggle. Because see, some people will get up on this camera and then they'll play like they just had a whole perfect install. And that could be the case sometimes. But also, I'ma keep it all the way 100. That ain't how it went with me. No, it wasn't. Now, I don't know how to get this off. I done washed it, scrubbed it, put the alcohol on it, and it's still on my hand. So I'm gonna have to Google how do I get nail glue off my skin, because this is my skin. But I'm gonna continue on and see. I was putting it on here. Maybe I need to not put it on the nail, but again, I was trying to put enough glue, whereas I don't have no air bubbles. So at this point, I don't even care about the air bubbles. I just don't want to. And excuse me, this is the glue I got from Amazon. This glue, baby, don't play. This glue is no joke. As soon as you put it down, you better know that's where you want the nail to be at. Because if not, see, this one did perfect. Well, it looked almost like an ear bump right there, but this one did fine. And this one, look at it. It's a whole catastrophe. Before I put the builder gel and the top coat on it, I'm gonna wash my hands and scrub this a little bit and try to see if this can come off. And hey, if not, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world, you know? My thing is, how am I gonna get this stuff off? How am I going to get it off? Look at that. Because I washed my hands, I put water on it, so that's why this is a whole mess. But what did I say at the beginning of the video? This is my first time putting it on. So, I mean, trial and error. First time trial and error. Hey, it's going to be what it's going to be. It's going to be what it's going to be. So, I'll get better at it over time, but so just like this hand, the first two, perfect. Let's see what the third is going to be given. Let me see if I can do it like this. Oh, shit. Excuse me. You see the spillage of glue. So, I mean, I hope I don't have no air bubbles since y'all got extra glue spilling out. Okay, that one did good. Okay, this one has an air bubble right there. And I don't like that. Because to me, if it has an air bubble when I wash my hands with water, I feel like water can get into it. And you don't want moisture. Because then you can get fungus on your nails and all that. But I'm not planning on keeping this long. I'm just putting it on for the weekend and seeing how long it takes me to do. When it pops off, it comes off, that's what it do. Until I'm ready to put on the next set. So this gonna carry me until my trip, and I'll put on the next set when I go on vacation. I'm going on vacation, y'all. The end of this month, the ending of this month. Yes, I am. Oh, see, I messed it up again. Y'all, this is a whole struggle. And I already can tell this one gonna have an air bubble in it. I'm going to try to get this stuff off my hand first. And then come back and put on these 2 coats and finish this up. Because this is taking me longer than I thought. It's already, I got stuff to do. I got to go to the stove. Air bubble. So far, y'all, it looking decent, at least. You know, I ain't walking around here with my hand looking like I've been pulling carburetors and transmissions all day. So, let me go try to get this off as best I can. I'm going to Google it. Let me Google. Or should I YouTube it? Let's YouTube. See if it can get a short video. How to remove nail glue from skin. I don't want to copyright, so let me go. Okay, y'all, so the lady said to use acetone. I do not have any acetone, so basically soap and water. And what I did was I took a pumice stone and I kind of scrubbed it a little bit, but I'm like, you know what, girl? Your skin is hardened, so you don't want to be scraping it with acetone and then you broke your skin, and that's another issue. So over time, I'm assuming it's going to come out, but what I'm going to do is when I run to the store, I'm just going to get some acetone. So I have to run to the store. I'm going to get some acetone while I'm there and just do that later. So it's going to be fine. Okay, so I washed my hands again. This one is still looking a little crazy because the glue got on the front of the nail and right here on my skin. So that's another spot where the glue is on my skin. We're going to go ahead and move forward and push forward, and we're going to put on the 2 coats and cuticle all, and we'll be done.
Baby, 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 now don't be dumb. No, don't be dumb. Ooh, baby, 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 being accused. Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life. Cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything.